Yes, people, welcome to a video about the DJ tool of AI. Do you want to know what's happening with the DJ AI tool from Spotify? I'm gonna tell it to you right now. So stick to the video because I'm gonna tell it and I'm gonna tell you what to do and how to get the Spotify AI DJ tool. Yes, so first we have to see if our version is updated. Well, we go to Spotify, of course, and we see the Spotify button open is there, and you can click open and you don't have to update it. Well, you can try one more thing. If you don't see it right now, you can go to, and I was already there, I'm sorry, you can go to general. Yes, you go to settings, you go to general, and then you go to iPhone storage and you go offload the app. And how you can do that, it's by clicking on Spotify and then you see automatically offload app. Yes, so don't delete the app because that will delete all your history and all your related data. You can offload app. And then we go install the app. And again, you tap on reinstall app. And then, yes, so it comes and we gonna open it. So we go back to our Spotify app and now it's up to date. But, and here is the most important thing of the video, and maybe it was a little bit clickbaity and sorry for that. But the beta version of AI, DJ AI tool of Spotify is in beta testing and it's only available in Canada and the United States at this moment. Yes, so don't worry if you don't see it right now, because if you want to see it and if you are in Canada or the United States, you tap on music and you see it automatically. But I can't see it as well because I'm in the Netherlands. I have one more option you can try, but I didn't try before. You can use a VPN and you can tell the VPN you are in Canada or in the United States. And I don't know if that works. If someone who sees this video test it for me and let me know in the comments if it works with a VPN, I'm gonna make a video with a VPN about this testing phase, about the beta phase of Spotify AI DJ tool. So we help each other. Yes, so this was it, guys. This is the truth about the DJ AI tool of Spotify. See you in the next video. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye. Thanks.